This is what happens if you wash your hair with this soda. There are many brands that sell shampoos, conditioners, creams, dyes, vitamins, among many other things for women's hair. But if you are one of the people who like to try new things, in this video we will make a recommendation that you may find something difficult to believe. You will have to wash your hair with Coca-Cola. The result is that you will get smooth, volumeless hair. So if you want to know how this works, you'll have to read the rest of the article. There are a lot of myths about Coca-Cola. Recently a vlogger uploaded a video where she washes her hair with a Coke for a smooth, volumeless hair. A madness, right? But the truth is that the result of this experiment is really good that has already become a trend among several women. How to wash your hair with Coca-Cola? If you want to try the Suki Waterhouse vlogger experiment, you should have the following ingredients. 1. 2 bottles of Coca-Cola 600 milliliters. 2. A container that is wider than your head. Methods of application. 1. You must place all your hair on the container and then begin to empty the first bottle of Coca-Cola throughout your hair. 2. Do the same with the second bottle of Coca-Cola, making sure you get all your hair wet. You can even occupy the Coke that stayed in the container to finish wetting your hair. 3. Wait a few minutes and then rinse your hair without using shampoo. 4. Finally use a dryer so you can completely dry your hair. Once you are done you will notice that your hair is completely smooth and has no volume. The best thing is that you have achieved it without having to invest so much money in a salon or in products. When you look in the mirror you will notice that your hair looks completely different from the way you have it every day. Besides that you will feel different.